Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your Google Chrome. So all you have to do, just go up, you click here on this sign here on up, then it's going to show for your list like this, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you here to settings window, and you just click here on sync, and it's going to take you in this step, and you just go down here, you click here on Google activity controls, and it's going to take you to next step here, and all you have to do now, so just go down here and you click here on say all activity controls here, and it's going to take you to this window. So just go down here and you click here on go to your Google account here and down, then it's going to take you to next step here, and you just here choose Google you want to go in, and you go up you here, you just swipe up here, right, and you click here on people sharing and sharing here and up, then it's going to take you in this window. You go down, then you come here to contact info save it from, and you come here to save it contact info. When you uh, interact with people, you will click here on this sign, and like you see color it's gone, that's when it's on off now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking